Hi there everybody, how's it going? My name is Bobby. Thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little different, and we're going to do a behind the scenes of how I shoot my drone videos. Now, if you've noticed, I've developed a little bit of a cadence on the YouTube channel here, and on every Monday and Friday in the early morning around 8 o'clock, I release different drone videos. I've worked as a drone operator since 2018, and I used to do it for hire. I do it purely for hobby now, but I have maintained my Part 107 license. And through that whole process of filming these videos through the years, I've learned how to narrow down my equipment to be as efficient as possible. I now shoot exclusively out of my camera bag. It's a simple like photographer book bag. I picked it up on Amazon. If you see it and like it, just comment down below and I can share the link. And in it, I store everything I need to be able to grab and go with my drone. So in it, there's the drone itself. I have my license, my insurance, my registration for the drone. I have all the batteries, SD cards, everything it takes to be able to just grab, go, and shoot whatever drone videos I'd like. Now you'll see in this video I'll kind of describe my process. I typically will scout out a spot that I want to go to in the comfort of my house, in the comfort of my pajamas. We'll get the airspace authorization prior to leaving, and I do that so that I can save time and make sure that I have that authorization. And then I will drive to the site or the location where I'm looking to shoot. I found a habit that I like to do is kind of drive around the area to get an idea of what there is around, to be cautious of and cognizant of. And then I simply set up the drone and fly it. I think one of the exciting parts is I get to bring my dog with me every time we go, or at least most of the times that we go. She likes to call it work. Do you want to go to work? She loves going to work, and she is my visual observer. She's not actually, but we'll pretend like it's the case. Right, Pace? And then I fly the flight or the mission or whatever it is, and then I land the drone, pack it all up, and then come back in, again, the comfort of my home in my pajamas, and I will edit that footage up and then post it on YouTube. Like I said, I'm trying to post every Monday and Friday for new drone content, and then all of those other projects that I'm always talking about will hopefully be sprinkled in throughout the week or whenever I get the ability to post them and do all that. So that's gonna be today's video, a little bit of behind the scenes for how I film and shoot my Monday and Friday drone videos. Thanks for watching. Paisley, do you want to go work? You want to go to work? Let's go. to review the footage. All right, so kind of jump in here, a few things to point out. What I've started to do is charge my batteries right in the back of this Jeep. It does have a accessory plug right in the back, and I charge those batteries and usually keep my bag in the back. Try to tuck it under a blanket so that it's not as obvious that there's an expensive drone in the back there, but I will keep it all there. So if I'm driving around and see something that I think would be great to shoot, then I can do that on the fly if it's something that I haven't planned. And I just bring it with me in case anybody has any ideas and offers them up, and I'll go out and fly them right away. So I usually keep that right in the back of this Jeep. All the batteries are always on a charger then. I've never had an issue with my battery dying. And the only change I have to make is in the winter time, I have to bring my bag in every time I'm done, because the drone does not like the cool temperatures. Either the controller or the batteries don't like to drop down to those cold temperatures. So I bring my bag in and only bring it out when I want to shoot. So those are the things I wanted to point out, little idiosyncrasies of the drone. But I'll show you what I do. I'll give you a sneak peek at how I usually do it in the summertime. All right, so as I mentioned, in the summertime, I usually, well, you can take this down because this is only in the wintertime that I do that one. In the summertime, I usually just keep this bag right in the back here, and I will plug in, let's see, I'm not even sure if I have it in here because I've switched over to the winter version, but apart from how messy it is, I'll usually just keep that plugged in, and I charge all the batteries right here. So they're always on charge. The drone case is pushed forward. I cover it up, like I said, with a blanket or something, and that way I can shoot whenever I want, whenever I need to, and I always have the drone with me. But in the wintertime, that's not a luxury I get to maintain, like I said, because of the cold. So I will bring the drone in every time, just like this, and then store it inside, and then whenever I go out to shoot, I just bring this case with me. But that's it, a backpack drone operation. Like I said, I've tried a bunch of different ways when I used to work. With my 107, I used to take contract gigs and fly for hire. Now I just fly for fun. But this I've found to be the best case scenario. So there it is.